welcome back to the channel. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Got my gears over there, got some gears over here. Just got set up. Susie's over there set up, guys, on the other side. I don't know if you see her, that's where she caught her big jackfish last. We at this spot. I haven't thrown my lines out yet, guys. I wanted you guys to catch that just in time as I get ready to throw my first cast out. Get these lines set out there and wait for something monstrous to pick up on it, guys. Well, here goes the first cast, people. Making shore fishing out there. Bam. Good cast right behind the reef. Yeah, man. See if we can pick up a big jack out there or something, people. Monster fish out the side, you know, guys. So just set the alarm on that one. Out there. Keep the tension on the line. Alright. I'll get this next one out, guys. See, these waves are beating here pretty good. Got that one out, guys. I haven't really drop line fished this area a lot, but I know the bites here is pretty ridiculous at times. So let's see what's up. See if I can drop a line in this cove right here. Here, guys. Fanning out, guys. Already. See, it's dipping pretty good. So what we're doing is drop line fishing, guys. It's kind of windy for lure fishing, so I'm not even going to bother attempt that today. Back now, guys. Take a look at these lines dance. They're ready. Little boogie. See that? Get out here. A little bit windy, but this has a little reef system like close to here, so they will be next to structure. Is what we're looking for. So drop line fishing, you'll pick up snappers. Oh wow, wave hit that line pretty good a while ago. Line set. Fish on! Fish on! Thanks for being to me, people. Yeah, man. Nice snapper, people. John was star, I never want to get wet today. Just time the water here, people. Here comes the big wave. Yes, sir. Yes, peoples. Fish get stuck. Look a while. Yes, I. First bite, peoples. Jamaican shore fishing. Looky here. Nice size dinner size fish here, people. Yeah, man. First catch of the day. No, man. From the car see out, I know exactly where I land this rod. Look a while, you know, peoples. Yeah. So, bad boy, I swallowed a hook here. I have to get some tools to get this out, peoples. Which I know. Let me get my pliers. Yeah, man. First catch of the day, people. Look like a lane snapper that. Just getting my pliers out. Clip this bad boy on us so we don't lose it. And let's get the snapper out. This hook here, people. So. Well, hit that fin, people. See? Good size snapper, people. Yeah, man, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Right in the cooler there, guy. Get this line baited back up, people, and get it out there. That's what's up. Yeah, man. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. I haven't been out in a while, peoples. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Yeah, man. We're out here, guys. We came out to get some footage. Try to get some content for you guys this evening. Didn't work out the greatest. I caught one snapper. That's a little dinner snapper. Not really that great, but at least it's something. I'm thankful for that still. But as you can see, guys, we out here. We're on a little ends. I got the rest of the gear back there behind me, and Susie was right here behind me earlier, back there on the rocks back there. She was fishing off that side, but now she's moved down to the other end. I don't know, let me turn around here, see if you can see her all the way down there on the beach, guys. Yeah, man, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We out here. Stay tuned, guys. It's been a while since I've been out. This is my first day out, actually, and apologies, guys, but I was down and out sick and just trying to heal up before I push back out and make sure I was okay. Pick up yourself, guys. Thank you for joining us. Appreciate you. I want to send a shout out to another YouTube channel, Jamaican Hidden Beauty TV, people. If you get a chance, jump over to their channel, check them out. Pretty good content. These guys travel all over, hunting, fishing, camping, all kinds of different aspects. So give them a shot, guys. Give them a little bit of support. Check their channel out. Pick up yourself, guys. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining the channel again. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, please, people. Give that big thumbs up for me. All right, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you for tuning in. We out.